Okay, I've always wanted to do that cheesy drive over the camera view for some reason. Okay, so today we're doing sway bars. I think that's all I'm doing today. I hope it's easy. I'm expecting this to be one of those like quick, short and sweet videos. Since the last Mustang video, we've put new tires on it. I've put a short shifter in. I did not actually video that for some reason. Didn't think about it until halfway through and then it was too late. So I'll also be trying that out, I guess, while we're doing this. Yeah, so let's go drive. Fair warning, this may be a shit video because it's my phone stuffed in the headrest of the seat next to me. Okay. Good shift. I like this. This is really good. Really hoping I don't run out of storage space on my phone. Should have cleared some stuff off. Okay, I know you can't see much because it's basically dark, but I gotta test drive it. And I'm gonna be honest, I can't see myself feeling a difference on just the street, especially the streets that I can drive right now. There's still some roll, but it's not as much? I don't know. At this point, there could be some placebo effect in here. Alright, so this is the only place I got to really sling it around last time. So let's get a little bit of speed and throw everything in the back seat around a little. Oh, that's actually a huge difference. I was not expecting that. Wow. Yep. Well, I was wrong. You can definitely tell the difference. If you'll ever lived next to a really like yappy, annoying, loud little dog that just barks constantly all morning, all night, whenever their owner's not home. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but this little dog's been going hard since like 7 a.m. and it's 1 in the afternoon right now. So anyway, I realized I forgot to close out the video last night. The sway bars do make a difference. I was really surprised. You could even feel it just on the road if you push it a little bit harder than you probably should. The way I had set the adjustments was, so they're adjustable to 3 different ways. So you've got the softest, medium, and stiffest, obviously, for both. Now you can adjust these independent of each other to, tune for understeer, for oversteer, blah, blah, blah. I just set them on the medium setting on both. Mostly because we're going to be doing coilovers very soon. They're actually on their way right now, so that'll probably be in a future soon video. Once we've got all that set up, got an alignment, maybe hit a track day or something and see what needs to happen and kind of tune them from there. But for now, they're set up just kind of medium and I guess neutral. Ask me any questions that you might have. I mean, there's a ton of videos on sway bar swaps and installs out there already. I just kind of throw mine together because it's fun. I'm going to do it, so I might as well video it and comment on it. Good God, that dog is loud. Wait for it. Yep. Yep. Oh, it's every like 2 seconds. Very consistently. It's really annoying. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.